mobile app, then how we can add the text into our design. So I have taken a blank surface for editing. Here I will write a text. It's a random text we have taken. Now we will adjust it into the design. We have the option to stretch it and make it more close so that it is, we are using the colors, so that's the color we have. And also we can give it a pattern like texture and the gradient as well. So here in gradient we have all the colors and the shapes. Here is the highlight we can add around the text. So we can add stroke around the text. As you can see, we can give the different colors to that stroke. Here is the opacity. That's the opacity. We can give different styles to the text. So it may take some time due to the lack of internet connection. So let's wait for it if we can get in the time.